What's most exciting about my work is that I get to create new stuff, create new things that have never been made before. And a kind of material that I'm particularly excited about these days is called a superconductor. A superconductor can carry electricity from point A to point B without losing any energy. The problem is that these superconductors so far work only at very low temperatures, and so the work we're doing is trying to understand what are the electrons doing in the existing superconductors and how can we use that knowledge to create newer, better superconductors that can work at ambient temperatures. Specifically, I'm interested in the interfaces between materials. What we've really learned just in the last couple years is that you can create entirely new properties by putting two different materials together, and at that two-dimensional flat interface between the materials, you get entirely new properties that are distinct from material A and material B. So I build machines that allow us to layer materials and look for new properties at the interfaces, and you have worlds of new possibilities for new properties. It's definitely important to me to know that what I'm doing is going to impact people. A superconductor expels magnetic field, so you could think about efficient transportation, frictionless transportation by floating a magnetic train. You could imagine better use of cell phone bandwidth in better coverage in rural areas. Certainly there are plenty of medical applications. So my dream, and what I came here to really try to do, is to develop a form of 3D printing with atoms. So I am building these instruments now in which we can lay down single layers of atoms. So we can print a page, and then we take a really sharp tip and we scan it around on the surface, and we capture information 1 pixel at a time. And then what we can do with this sharp tip, it's so sharp, it's a single atom. We can pick up atoms and move them from point A to point B on the surface. So you really can think about printing in 3 dimensions with single atoms. That's the dream. And every bit of it is achievable, but it's going to require a huge amount of work.